Shall we move on?
Yeah, I mean, just thinking though about this bear market rally that you're talking about, and all these people thinking of the 3,800, 3,900. I think that's certainly at play, but I just want to obviously get your feedback on this, but share my perspective that it's really important to remember, like, this is a dead cat bounce, right? This is a bear market rally, right? I don't think we're at a bottom. I don't think the economy's turned yet. Microsoft just yesterday is laying off 1,000 people, right? This is still that bear market rally. We're not over here saying, all right, bottoms in, let's go. Maybe if you're thinking inverse Kramer perspective, maybe, right? Because he's just, but from that perspective, this is still a bear market rally in my opinion. And I think you got some tailwinds with earnings, but I'm over here. I'm not loading the boat just yet. I'm still being patient, still sitting on my hands, something that we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks. Yeah.
No, dude, I'm completely in that group, right? Capital preservation is what I want in a market like this. And I think until I watch the treasury market, the bonds and everything, until that market stabilizes, I'm not sure we can get a significant tradable bottom or investable bottom, right? Because the bond market is huge. You got to remember that yields are looking super enticing. The 2-year treasury note auction, not oxygen, is on Tuesday next week. And it's something that I'm actively considering taking money from what I would probably invest to in the market and putting it's a 2 years, right? It's 2 years. You get your interest rate payment every 6 months. It comes into your account and you get your principal back at the end of the 2 years. So it's considerable. It's going back to, okay, well, maybe I'll go back to a 60-40 portfolio in the future if it makes sense. But for right now, you just gotta, maybe earnings and maybe the midterm election is what's going to help us see a little dead cat bounce, bear market rally, whatever you want to call it. But there's still so much happening out there that just causes uncertainty, especially Russia, Ukraine, and this interest rates continue to hike. And where is inflation going to land? I mean, there's still so much happening. And until things start to settle down a little bit, is it the right time to invest? Maybe in good companies that, have paid dividends, that are well established with good management, have pricing power, kind of like the basic checklist of value investing. Right. And so that's something that we want to keep in mind as well. Catch all episodes of Stock Market Live on Seeking Alpha and join the conversation live every Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern.